Rashni.
There's Madhu
From #Make Sense. Welcome back to our channel.
and we're back again with a yet fun and interesting video.
Yeah, guess what? It's our third challenge video. And I know you're able to see something missing. There are only two of us.
And
that
you know who is missing?
Yeah,
and that's Manasri.
Manasri. She's missing.
Manasri.
And she'll come back in a while. Soon.
She's busy right now. She'll come back soon.
Yeah.
So
Don't
Until
worry,
then,
we'll be
we are-
entertaining you.
yeah. So today, what are we doing today?
We're doing. Can you see?
Yeah, we're doing this.
My hands are taped. My thumb is taped, and I can't move my thumb even a bit. So
Okay.
I have only 4 fingers. Oh, sorry, 4 plus 4, 8 fingers.
16 fingers means yours.
Yeah.
Four
So
plus 16.
today we're doing the No Thumbs Challenge. So let's get into the video.
All knows how to play. Here are the rules.
Rule number 1. Tell.
I know you'll tell.
Okay. So whatever task gives, we have to do it without using our thumbs. Only using our 4 fingers. And whoever does it first is the winner.
So
And
that's-
we
like
calculate
I
the
just-
points and let's see who wins.
You just have to take your thumb with tape, like how we
Transparent
did,
tape or any kind of tape that you like. Actually.
and start the
Challenge.
Challenge. Okay.
So first task that she's given. 1 go. Oh no.
Finished.
Yeah. Then I'm done. Let's see who is good.
So
See mine. This is mine. It's kind of big to small or something, but it's very nice, guys. Very nice. Now tell who's gonna win.
guys, this is mine, and
Which is dumb. Which is really dumb.
Guys,
It's sort of. Where's the
I
head, dude? Where's the
guys,
head? I can't see.
One
the head.
second. I thought it was gone by time. Who wins?
But I already asked you the question. If it's neat, right? I asked you that neat question.
Comment down below, guys.
Yeah, I know the
But
comments.
for-
I want to win.
but-
Yeah, you tell me who's the winner.
It's Varshini.
Obviously, I get a point.
Don't squeeze me.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, still comment down below.
Yeah, I'm the winners.
No.
They support the winners, not the losers.
Please, guys, please. Guys, round 2 is here.
Oh my god. Oh my god. She's gonna win, guys. I can't lose.
4. Done.
It's not that easy, you know. I'm done. See this, guys.
Finish faster.
See this.
It doesn't go by neatness. You told it goes by.
I told both. Neat and fast. I told it clearly. If you want, you can just check it, okay?
I can't even.
Guys, see.
Guys, this is my.
This is so neat. You know, it's just perfect like an envelope. It's like a letter. You can deliver it to anyone, post
Yeah,
it.
with your
It's
name
so
on
nice.
it.
Yeah. Now the judge will tell
Now
us.
the judge will tell us.
Judge. Please tell whose is nice. I know it's mine. It's mine.
Madhu was faster, but
This is round 3 and let's start.
And second.
It's very difficult.
Okay.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I don't. I think it's the finish. I'm like a dino. No, you're doing.
I'm done. Actually, it's perfectly straight, guys. It's not that
I
perfect.
can't
but it's
even
neat.
bite
You know,
in
it's
this,
neat.
guys.
It's neat.
See, I can't do more than this. Okay, I.
Problem. The fingers allowed. It's short. Oh, I finished clearly.
clearly Varshini wins this.
Clearly. Next.
And now, 4th round.
So, let's start. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, it's damn difficult. I never knew.
I thought it's damn easy. Oh my god, I'm not going to hold the bananas.
Should we full peel it? Like, completely?
Yeah, then what do
This
you
one is
do?
enough.
Yeah, I'm done, guys.
Yeah, I thought we have to do full like this.
Yeah,
We have to
full.
do completely, like, remove the peel. Hello, huh?
I finished.
Guys,
I finished it. The banana is in my hand. Can I eat it?
you can. Take this.
Ooh.
She loves banana, guys. I hate bananas. Take it. Bandar.
Yeah, I love bananas.
Round 5.
Round 5. Oh, we got round 5. Yeah, round
5.
So what is your task? It's her task, and we're doing putting.
Guys,
wearing-
first she told
Is
talent.
it called wearing or tying or putting a watch?
Anything you want to call it, guys.
Tying a watch.
Tying a watch. So the challenge is to tie the watch without a thumb, which is the worst challenge in the world.
Wait. Keep it here.
Okay.
3,
2,
1.
go!
Oh, I'm killing
You're killing.
my watch.
Why?
Because it's not allowing me to put.
Dude, it's so difficult.
Oh my guys, we can't do it like literally.
Oh my god. It's kind of very difficult.
Thumbie, I miss you.
Thumbi.
My thumb
Thumbi.
finger.
Dude, your watch is having a problem.
Mine is so. Ma.
It's supposed to be like this.
Guys, I can't put it. She put it. Okay, I can do this. 1 second.
Oh my god, where is this thing? Guys, I'm done. Yeah.
I tied my watch. Guys, I tied my watch.
It's cheating. I tied your wrist, you fool. Yeah, guys, I am done.
Mother, come on, give it a try.
What after she finished?
See, this watch seems to be nice, right? It's matching my dress.
That's mine.
I know, but
She'll bring her watch.
Beginning of round 6.
6.
You're at Varshni being at 4.
Mother being at 1. Who? That's something nice. You're not gonna win it, you know that, right? Okay, so the task
But you can
is,
always try to make it little close.
yeah, the task is opening the bottle cap without a thumb. It seems to be difficult, isn't it? So let's see. 3, 2.
1 second.
You can't use your palm. I'm telling now only. If she uses it, she's out. She's this
You have to use it like this, right?
Yeah.
Something. Okay. 3.
You only use your fingers from here to here, no palm. Okay?
Guys, it's no thumbs, no. It's not no hands, no. It's actually.
We told.
Fair.
It's my task. I'm giving it, right? 3, 2, 1, go. I'm done. It's kind of nice to have long fingers. Not like
It's actually cheating. She has very long fingers. Guys, look at her fingers.
that's too long, right? I know you want to have such fingers. I'll tell you some tips, okay? I don't know. It's kind of genes. Your parents. So ask your parents to grow long fingers. Sorry. I got it.
Guys, round
7.
7, yeah. 7. You have to tie our hair with this rubber band.
Black rubber band. I love black.
Black rubber band, and it's.
Oh god. What is this? Okay. Oh my god. What am I doing?
I can't, guys. I can't.
Oh my god, it's a ponytail. If I'm not wrong.
I finished.
What did you do? What? You put only once. You can't.
I didn't put how many. They didn't tell
Oh,
more.
no, I put it once then.
But I finished. I told before you. I told finished before.
Oh, okay, she got a point.
Guys, that's all we have for today.
Yeah, that's all we have today. And
If you like this video,
please do like. I can't do like symbol also.
share,
Comment
and subscribe.
And
And one more thing.
if you do play this game with your friends and family, tag us on Instagram and we'll get to know whether you actually had fun. And also comment down below what challenge should we do next.
Please comment, guys. Please.
Yeah, we're out of ideas actually. If you comment,
Yeah.
we'll get some good ideas from you people. And we can do it. Yeah.
Until then, bye.
And don't forget to watch #MakeSense. Stay home, stay safe.
Stay hot. Stay safe.